Hello and welcome to our channel. I am Alexander Podorevsky from GMP-inspection-com, and in this video I will give you an overview of the pharmaceutical quality system. A pharmaceutical quality system consists of a set of procedures, standards, practices and resources that a pharmaceutical company implements and maintains to ensure a high level of quality in its products. The pharmaceutical quality system is intended to ensure that all medicinal products and medical devices manufactured by the company comply with the established standards of good manufacturing practice and other applicable legal requirements. The pharmaceutical quality system comprises the following main elements. Quality policy. This is a statement or document in which the management of an organization expresses its commitment to product quality and safety. It is a point of reference for all employees of the company and emphasizes the importance of ensuring a high level of quality. Quality management system. This refers to processes and procedures for controlling and ensuring product quality at every stage of production, from the procurement of raw materials to the dispatch of finished products. Quality control includes methods, analyses, and tests to assess the quality of raw materials, intermediate products, and finished medicinal products to ensure that they meet the defined standards and specifications. Process validation ensures that the manufacturing processes run predictably and are documented accordingly to guarantee consistent product quality. Staff training and qualification ensures that company personnel have the necessary knowledge and skills to perform their duties and work in accordance with quality procedures. Risk management identifies and evaluates potential risks relating to production and product quality and takes measures to avoid or manage them. The documentation and archiving system is a system for managing documents that includes creating, updating, storing, and archiving all documents relevant to production and quality. Change control. This includes procedures for evaluating and managing changes to production processes, systems, or products in order to minimize risks and ensure quality. A pharmaceutical quality system represents a comprehensive approach to product quality assurance and plays an important role in protecting patient health and maintaining confidence in a pharmaceutical company's products. Companies operating in the pharmaceutical industry must strictly adhere to their pharmaceutical quality system and undergo regular GMP inspections by regulatory authorities to ensure that all necessary standards and requirements are met. During GMP inspections, for example by American or Russian authorities, we are available to your company as professional GMP translators and pharmaceutical interpreters and ensure perfect communication between the team of inspectors and the pharmaceutical company. We also offer various types of consulting services, the representation of foreign pharmaceutical companies, and the distribution of their products in Germany. Thanks to our long-standing cooperation with several hundred companies around the world, we can also facilitate talent recruitment in the pharmaceutical industry and match professionals with great job opportunities. Would you like to find a new pharmaceutical job in your dream country? Just contact us for more information and we will be happy to help you.